One button to add a number of products to the cart or straight to the checkout. That button is powerful enough to be placed anywhere on your site, even a landing page that has no products in it. It's called Bundle Maker, and it's about time to expose its power. Coming up. First things first, come into Gloo. Then ensure that WooGloo modules is toggled on. Then click on Settings. Now ensure the Bundle Maker Widget is toggled on. Beautiful. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get you familiar with our setup. We have created an ACF field called Bundle Products, and this field is mapped to the post type called Recipes, which is a CPT that we have already created here. Within this field group is a meta field called Additional Products, which we're going to copy right now. And that additional products is a relationship field, and it is filtering by the post type of product. So it's basically a situation where you come into the recipes and you can select a number of products there. Now, we've populated a list of recipes, as you can see here. Within one recipe, let's show you what we've done. This is the ACF relationship field, and we have added a number of products to it, as you can see here. Now, since this is a recipe, all we are doing here is describing how a beautiful meal can be prepared. And after the meal is prepared, we need the user to be able to add all of these products to the cart, all the products that will help the user accomplish this beautiful meal. In the front end, as you can see, you have the title, the description, as you can see, and also the list of all of those items within the relationship field. We populated this using another Gloo dynamic tag that is called the ACF relationship field dynamic tag. You can toggle that on. Come into Elementor. As you can see, this is a title field, and we have used the ACF relation field tag there. We've copied the field key, which we got from within the field group, if you recall, and we have come into Elementor, returned this as an unordered list structure, and we've also selected the return value as clickable title, just so the user can click on any of the products to view it before purchasing it as part of a bundle. Now, after we did that, it is time to add a button. This button is simply meant to add all of these products to the cart and straight to checkout. Now, let's come into the widgets and select Bundle Maker. There it is. Let's drag it in. Let's paste in some style we have already made, just so it can look a bit beautiful. Let's delete this. And now we have two options under the redirect section here, either to cart or to checkout. I wanted to go to checkout, so I'll select checkout here. The button label, let's say buy all items. The source could be manual, in which case you'd have to add each item one after the other by adding the product ID and the number of that item. But that's not what we want to do. We want to add all of them from the ACF relation field. So we're going to put the relation field meta key right here. Additional products? Good. If this was a single products page, you can also toggle this on here, include current products, which will add the ID of the current product. So it's also part of what's taken to the cart or to checkout. But let's toggle that off, as this is not a single product page. Now we can hit update, we can come to the front end, we can refresh this, and there is the button, which we can now click. See how it takes us to the checkout page, adding all of these items to the cart, and it's time for us to check out with our products already in the cart. Easy peasy. Let's leave the thinking to your creative mind. Tell us how you'd love to use this. Mix and match it with other modules such as Checkout Anything, which enables the user customize the products and their quantities before checking out. We have other tutorials covering that one too. Remember, it's gloo.oo if you need to see more of this amazing stuff. Hit the subscribe button so you'd be informed when we return with more magic. That's it. See you next time.